Hello and welcome. Good to have you with us. Today we are launching a new thing, bringing top 5 MCQs based on static and dynamic topics, which will be very useful for the UPSC exam, state services exam, SSC, railways, and other competitive exams. Let's start beginning with the first question of the first slide. First question is asking which amongst the following is the correct option for the joint military exercise hand in hand, and your option is A India and Japan, B India and Thailand, C India and China, D India and Lanka. You have to mark your correct option for the joint military exercise of India, and the correct option is option C. Joint military exercise hand in hand is conducted between India and China. So the correct option is option C. Now moving to second question. Who wrote the book Victory of Young Asia? Option A Raj Bihari Bose, option B Mahatma Gandhi, option C Rabindranath Tagore, option D Jawaharlal Nehru. The book Victory of Young Asia, which was originally written in Japanese language, and the author is Raj Bihari Bose. So the correct option is option A, Raj Bihari Bose, who was the author of Victory of Young Asia. Now moving to third question. Who chairs or heads the National Disaster Management Authority? Option A President of India, option B Prime Minister of India, option C Home Minister, option D Environment Minister. And the correct option of this question is option B Prime Minister of India, who heads or chairs the NDMA, which comes under the direct control of Home Minister or Home Ministry. Now moving to fourth question. In which state Buxa Tiger Reserve is located? Option A West Bengal, option B Uttar Pradesh, option C Kerala, and option D Odisha. And the correct option is option A West Bengal, where Buxa Tiger Reserve is located. Now moving to our last question. Which statement is correct? First, Advocate General is not a constitutional post. Second, he is appointed by President of India. Which option is correct? Or statement first is incorrect, because Advocate General is a constitutional post. Second, he is appointed by President of India. It is also incorrect, because Advocate General of state is appointed by governor of each state. So the correct statement or the option of this question is option D. Both is incorrect. So option D is none. Option D is correct. Both is incorrect option. Thanks to all viewers and subscribers of our Last Mile Approach channel. Please like, share, support and subscribe our initiative.